what it will take to ship Oriental rug all the way from Massachusetts to Florida to be clean. You can see how big is the package. 130-pound Oriental rug, heavy, saturated with a cat urine odor. Somebody in Massachusetts promised her 6 years ago that he can remove the urine odor. But he didn't. So Mrs. Vin from Massachusetts sent me the rug 6 years ago. And 2 weeks ago, she called me and she said, "Martin, I'm sending you the rug again." Cat, dog, I know what I'm facing. So how do I clean this thick rug from cat urine odor? Remove completely the urine crystal that cause the odor and all the cleaning product that Mrs. Vin used on the rug. So the combination of the cleaning product the customer used plus the cat pee-pee blend together in the rug, and now the rug smell like dead body. Smells so bad that have to be done. Or throw the rugs away or clean it the right way and enjoy it for another 6-10 years. This rug belonged to Mrs. Vin's father. He passed away and he gave her the rug. And this is one of the memory. So it's emotion. She have to clean it. I flood the rug slowly, gently. It takes time to flood the rug. Even then I can push the water, have much more water and flood the rug in 10 seconds. It have to be done in 80 seconds to flood the rug gently. All the cleaner that is on the top of the rug will go through the fiber by the suction that's vacuum from under the rug. All the cleaning product the customer used, everything go through the rug, fall down to the pan, and go to the sewage through the tube. The tube shows me what is in the rug in this cycle. So anytime then the cycle is ended, I'm looking at the tube and I can see all the yellow, the pee-pee. And slowly, when the cleaning process progresses, it takes about 4 or 5 hours to remove the urine odor completely. I can see the tube and it's clear. I know the rug right now is perfectly free from all the soap, the enzyme that you use, and all the cleaning, the pee-pee, the dirt, the soil, the saliva, everything's, the rug is free from it. That's what I like to do. I love cleaning Oriental rug, remove all the pee-pee, and when I finish the cleaning process, I lay the rug on the floor, let it dry for the 12 hours, and the next morning I can hang the rug because the color is not going to run. I am using acidic cleaning product from the Dead Sea. Acidic is like vinegar. Vinegar hold the color. It closes the holes in the wool. And this is what make the cleaning process so special. I guarantee in writing urine odor removal completely, permanently by using the Dead Sea cleaner, the XpetPee machine that I built, and the skill that I gained from so many years cleaning high quality Oriental. PetPeePee, serving nationwide and the globe for Oriental rug and drapery cleaning from urine odor. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the video. It's a pleasure cleaning your rug, Mrs. Vin. I appreciate your business. Thank you, Mayor Martin, the owner of the PetPeePee company.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.